Hey, good morning everybody, this is Cliff with Pen Flamingo Power Wash. Back with a new video for you guys. Today I'm out working in Palm Harbor, Florida for this customer that I'm returning to do a pool deck for. This customer here is a good friend of mine. We played actually football together. He was my quarterback when I played arena football. But this is our second time doing this pool deck here. We did it last year. So it's a big pool deck that wraps around the other side. I'll show you guys. Alright, so this is the back side of the house here behind me, and we have this area behind me right there. Also, we're gonna be doing all the pavers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pre-treat with about 4%. So some of this algae is pretty bad, and these are pavers, so you're definitely gonna get lines if you don't pre-treat. Guys, so we just pre-treated the the pavers. I'll show you guys what it's looking like now. You can tell it's reacting already on the surface. Oh, sorry. We're gonna start from the furthest end back here. Start our surface cleaning process. Should be able to move pretty quick, especially with that pre-treatment on there. Alright guys, we all set over here with this job. Walkway over here is all cleaned up. Got this area out here nice and clean. Of course, that doesn't come up with pressure washing. That's iron stains from the fertilizer. We over here in Palmetto, Florida. It's out of my area actually, but this is a football brother of mine, you know what I'm saying? He'd rather give the business to me than give it to somebody else. So I'm here for a house wash and I'm gonna be doing the driveway. The driveway is painted, so they know that the paint is old and you know, some of it may come up. The house got some, you know, cobwebs and stuff on it, but nothing too crazy. We're gonna be hitting this with a stucco for about what, 3%, maybe a 4% today. I already got my hose ran all the way around the house. So is my soft wash hose. This wall right here is the worst. So like I said, we're gonna hit this probably with a 4%. Get these windows all cleaned up right here. All that crud. The base of the house got some algae on it on this side, and also the corner over there, the corner of the wall, as well as this window also. Guys, so we got two sides of the house dwelling. As you can tell, the algae is getting killed over here. Doing this thing, I'm doing two sides at a time so the mix doesn't dry on the surfaces. So everything looks still wet over here. And I went ahead and hit these stones for them with the pre-treatment. You can see the door how it's turning white. That's the algae getting killed right here. Come off easy. This is the starting point right here. Yes sir, you see the windows? That's before rinsing. I may have to hit it one more time, but it is what it is, you know. No big deal. I'm gonna start rinsing now. last two sides of the house. Everything's coming along good. My mix is working real good. 4%. Works really good on 4% works real good on stucco. Just make sure you rinse really good on stucco, because it kind of like holds the soap onto the wall some. So I try not to spray around the doors, just so I don't streak them. I know you can just wet them down. Lately I've been trying not to spray chemicals on the doors at all, really. The floor, since I had my SH in the line already. So now we're gonna go ahead and surface clean this and get out of here, man. Alright guys, we all done. Driveway looks much better. You guys know it's painted and the paint was already coming off. So basically I just took all the algae off of it. I did pre-treat it, as you guys saw. So I can get all the algae off. without having to use that much pressure. But yeah, man, everything came out good. This was the worst side right here. Nice and clean. The windows, you know how bad the windows were. Windows are all nice and clean now. Did the stones for them right here. Got that thing popping. I appreciate y'all checking the videos out and supporting the channel. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button for me. The more people that like the video, man, the more YouTube's gonna show the videos out to everybody. So go on and hit that thumbs up for me. You know what I'm saying? Drop a comment below or whatever you got, man. See y'all in the next video. Peace.